So that army truck which is going towards Sumdo is the one that dropped me till Gave Gate. Now I'm waiting for some kind of vehicle to come here so that I can ask for a lift. If my luck is really good, then I might even get a bus, HRTC bus, which I'm still okay with because it's really cheap. It's not that of a big deal. And Goa is really literally totally inside a valley. I mean, if you can see this river, it goes till the above, and that's where Geu village is. I don't know why I keep saying Goa even after knowing that it's Geu. Well, English always f***s up everything. Anyway, now I'm still waiting for some kind of transport, be it HRTC or some kind of hitchhike. And once Geu village is really inside a valley, which is really beautiful. Everyone must visit that place. And it's also one of the Z points, that is the last village of India. Well, it was really beautiful. Many people told me that Spiti, if you want to do Spiti, you need a lot of money. You need at least 20k, you need at least 30k, because the thing is, you see, in the mountains there are no much of transportation facility. HRTC has a beautiful bus fleet. They literally go till Kaza, sometimes even Langsa and Comic, I guess. That's what I heard from one of the bus drivers. But in the mountain regions, every village is so far, at least 50-60 kilometers away. The big ones at least are 50-60 kilometers away. What happens is, I'm right now standing here. I'll probably be waiting here for at least 2-3 hours now for a bus, if I'm waiting for a bus. If I get some kind of hitchhike, that's my luck probably. But to finish Spiti, you either need one of these two things. You either need money so you can have a comfortable trip, or if you really want to see this place and you want to explore this place but you do not have a lot of money, you can still do it. But the only thing is, you need lot of time, which is why see, people who come to Geu, they don't stay there. They just come, they see the monastery and they just go. But what I have done is, I have come here, I have stayed here for a day, and then I'm going towards Tabo. I'll be staying there. Then I'll go to the next village, I'll be staying there. So what happens is, it takes a lot of time for me to go from one village to other village, because of not having enough transport here. So that's the only thing. You either need money or you either need time. But you can definitely easily finish your whole Spiti Valley trip in like 10 to 12,000 max. And then let's say you can take a train or somewhere. If you're coming from South India, you can, like me, you can take a train which start from 550 rupees for a 2S, that is a chair seater. But the only thing is, sitting for more than 48 hours is a little tough. So you can probably take general sleeper. So that's still okay. If you are under tight budget, that's still really okay. It doesn't matter. It's just about 1.5 days to max 2 days, and it's not a big deal. You can somehow manage it. And now I'm still waiting. It's been almost about 25 minutes that I've come here. Well, let's see what happens.
हाँ, नितेश भगत, पहले इसको मैं पहले निकालूंगा, भेज दूंगा, मैं नंबर लिख के ओके रखे रख। नितेश भगत।
Good morning, namaste, salam alaikum, welcome back. So it's a beautiful morning over here, and we are right in front of the monastery. So this was, we'll go from here. So this was our place where we stayed. It just costed just like 300 rupees per room and 150 per head, so it was damn nice.
Check this out.
And this is the story of Tabo Monastery. Don't worry, I'll just put up a story on my I'll just put up a photo on my story. You can just write it out there, or I'll just put a pic over here as well. This place is just beautiful. It's worth a visit, worth stay. Let's go inside. That's the new monastery, and we are in the old monastery, which is more than 1200 years old, I guess. It was, it was actually a bit destroyed when there was an earthquake. I think a couple of, I'm not sure exactly when. Yeah. So this place is the old monastery. As you can see, it's completely built on mud. I cannot shoot anything inside, so I'm going to just show you whatever's there outside, so at least you can come here, see what's inside, and be surprised. And look at those huge mountains, and this nice beautiful monastery that was built, I mean restored again after it was destroyed after an earthquake. Not sure when. Yeah, I think it's there in the story which I showed you earlier. Just keep going. Let's see what's there, what's not. I'm going to click a couple of videos from this one as well, so we have a better quality. I'm not looking at the camera because I'm just in love with these mountains right now. I just can't get my eyes off them. They're just huge. So there's two major things to see in Tabo, that is Tabo Monastery and Tabo Caves. So we are in Tabo Monastery and Tabo Caves is right over there. So I think it's like a small hike. I even heard there are steps to go towards that, so you don't have to worry about slipping and falling. But still, you have to be careful because these are mountains at the end of the day. This is a place to just sit, rest after the prayer, or for the guests to just sit after seeing the monastery, because it's huge, takes a little time. So yeah. So I'm traveling with this guy from yesterday. His name is, introduce yourself.
Arnav.
You're from?
Give me some. Wait, just go back, man. Oh shit, man. My name is Arnav.
He wants to become Shah Rukh Khan. So yeah, this is our second day in Tabo. Finished the monastery. We're still planning to go or not to the caves because it's like normal, so I think we are going towards a school. It seems like there's some kind of cultural thing going on, so I think hopefully they let us in so we can just see some culture instead of just looking at caves and coming back. And then
from ahead.
from there, and then we are planning to go for a trek, probably for like a 2-3 hour trek, something like that.
Yeah, and camp in the riverside, right?
And camp on the riverside. So yesterday night when we were going through maps and stuff, I found on the other side of the village where there's only farms. We can go down this like huge riverbed where we can actually camp, but probably we'll have to come back to the village, take some wood and go back, because I don't think there will be any kind of food over there. This is the school. The gates are closed, so I think we'll probably go. Okay, it's open. Man, the schools are amazing. Like, this is literally the entrance. Hi, doggo. Okay, we probably missed the culture.
This is how it started, right?
The person on the restaurant told me that it just started, but we were there for like more than an hour after he said it. So
I think this is the hall.
this is the school.
Wow, mountain from here.
This is the school. Like
I wish I
literally.
studied in this school, yeah.
Really? Who wants a city when you have a school like this? This is even library. This is a playground.
Wow.
We are probably trespassing, but I'm not exactly sure.
मारा तुमको?
मैं ना मारा।
कौन मारा?
मैं नहीं हूँ। मैं क्या करूँगी?
This is a whole school, guys. It's called as Serkong School. Arinav was bowling, and there goes the wicket. Another ball. There goes Muthaya Murlidhan, and the bat goes flying. Third ball. There goes, and that goes for a 4. Shame, shame, shame.
शाम तक के लिए तो मैंने चलो बोला लेगा आओ लट कर
Bye bye. So we literally had a culture, our Indian culture, cricket. What do you say? Yeah, we played a cricket for like 5 minutes and came back because we got tired like in 5 minutes. I couldn't run after like second or third ball.
Yeah, the sun is like really like
Yeah,
hot.
the sun is way too hot for us.
Look at the sun, man.
Now we are going to back to the homestay, have some freshening up, and then back to the caves probably.
But
Let's
you know, it's not a good idea to go and camp like right now. Maybe after 3.
Yeah, we don't camp now.
Little sun.
We'll just go towards the riverbed and come back.
Yesterday, what time we came here?
We came here at 3.
3, right? Even that time it was like very.
Ah,
And then after that.
that's what, after 4:30 only it was good. Yeah. That's the plan right now.